Hello everyone, welcome to Software Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the GI section of the paper. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll discuss a few questions pertaining to the section itself, and then subsequently we'll try to talk about and understand the section in general, comparing their what is the difficulty level or anything as such. Okay. Now, having said that, if we talk about the GI section this year round, the section was more or less of the similar kind that we have already seen in the previous year's paper. Okay, that is the number of questions or the pattern of the questions, the kind of questions that have come this year round as well. They seem more or less similar to the ones we have seen in the multiple previous year's papers. But that being said, this year the paper was a little bit on the complex side. That is, the question were more calculation intensive, and also they required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter and a little bit of critical thinking just to solve. Okay, so that's it. What we'll be doing in this video is taking a couple of questions from the paper itself and then subsequently try and solve the same, so that whenever we come across questions against this further down the line in any examination, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so pardon me. Having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. Let's start off with 20. Which of the sets of letters, when sequentially placed in the gaps in the given letter series, shall complete it? Okay, so let's start off with number 20. So the series here is A dash A dash dash dash. Okay, so this is, so we'll go option by option. Okay, so let's start off with number A. Suppose I write A here, again B here, get A here and B here. Okay, so triple A B A B A B A B A B. So no pattern whatsoever. So option A does not necessarily make any sense in this case. So we eliminate option A. Next up, let's try with option B. We put A B here, A B. So A B triple A B A B A B A B. Again, it does not make any sense again. So we option B is also nullified that way. So we'll move to option C now. We have A B B A. Okay, triple A B A B A B B A B double A. Again, no sense whatsoever. It does not make any sequence, follow any order of such. So this is also eliminated. So lastly, since we know ABC aren't going to work, then naturally option D is going to be our answer. But let's anyway, let's check it. B B A and B. AB, 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 AB. Yes, it's following sequence AB, AB, AB. So option D makes sense. So option D will be a right answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next up, we'll move to number 21. If A is 1, AC is 9, then ART is, so since this is an alphabetical series or related to alphabets and letters, let me just note down all the letters. Let me just draw the number table or the alphabet table. So this is our alphabet table where each number represents the number of the alphabet itself and opposite ends represent which number is opposite to which, and everything is such, all the details are provided. Now it's given a is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 and ACE is 9. So let's try and understand something. A is 1, C and E. C is 3 and E is 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 gives us 9. Okay, so basically one thing we can make out is sum of the numbers pertaining to the alphabets. Okay, now what we are given is art, A-R-T. So for art, how can we go about this? We know A is 1, R is 18, and T is 20. So this gives us 39. Simply add them. So 39 will be our answer. So I hope this is clear. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video. So in case you have any doubt with respect to both the questions, how we came over the same, go through the video multiple times. That should give you a clear idea as to how we have approached these questions and what the ideally we should do about while facing such questions. Okay. So having said that, in case you are looking to get yourselves a detailed solution of the entire paper, be it the BRC section, the QA section, the LRDA or the GI section in general, feel free to get in touch with us. And for that, what you can do is go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like our website URL through which you can visit our website, our email ID as well. You can write to us on that, and also our numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us any query you have. Okay, in case you're looking to get a fully solved paper of the same, or if you're looking to purchase any online courses for any examination, competitive examination, or else if you're looking for material, feel free to connect with us. In case you have any doubt with respect to any exam preparation and are looking for guidance with respect to any subject or any topic wise if you need expertise, again we'll be more than happy to help you out with this. So feel free to go through the section and connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out in any of these regards. Okay, so do connect with us. Now having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing discussion on the similar sort of topics in the subsequent videos, and until then I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.